This is episode 3. In this episode, we're gonna install the MaxxFan, and that's it. I did a bit job here. It was very rusty here, so as you see, I put chemical gel that eats all the rust. It's called rust eater, I think. Anyways, so now I fixed it. I let it to dry, and we'll start with the installing the MaxxFan. So let's open it together. This is the MaxxFan. The remote controller here. This is that will sit on top of the car, so we need to take this shape to cut this shape on the roof. As you see here, I'm gonna put the MaxxFan exactly here. I will make sure that is in the middle, and I marked here that this is the middle, and then I will take this cover, this one, and make sure that this is in the middle. Place it like that, and first I will mark the place and do a small hole in the corners so I know where is it, then start the cut. Let's do it. Make hole here, and make hole here, and here, and here. 4, and then go on the top of the car and start cutting. So now the frame is done, and we're gonna make a frame for this to sit. This one we make a frame so that it sits inside the van. Okay. So now the frame is complete. See? And this will sit like that, but from the inside. As you see here, I have painted the cutting area to prevent it from rust, and I have cleaned it with alcohol as well. It's very important. So after I put the plastic frame, I need to put the wooden frame that we made underneath and screw it together with the plastic. As you see here, it's sealed and the screws as well, so it's very important to seal it very good, like that. Perfect. In this step, we are checking that everything is good and everything is sealed well. The screws all around is sealed well. Now I have connected plus and minus, and we're gonna run a test. We will see. This is connected to the battery here, and let's see if it works. I just temporarily we connect it and we're gonna test it together. Let's see and if it works. Perfect. Perfect. This is 100%. Yeah, it's okay. It seems good. See, this is our color from the inside, and it looks perfect. It's perfect, man. Let's close it. Bye bye. Finally, we are done. Actually, now I'm done with the installation of the fan, and that was for today. We will continue work on it. Now we will not install the top one because we need to complete it later. Because first we need to put the isolation and run all the wires and put the walls, then we will put that second part. Don't forget to support me by like and follow, and you can watch all the video so you can support me like that. That was all the video. See you in the next video. Peace.